Hi there. This is the first time I'm going live with this part. So let's see how it will go. Um, I think we should make a database today for storing Pokemon card. It will be in 4 parts. This is the first part we're making now. So let's see how it will become. We will begin with the name of it, and we start with a blank database. I don't know how familiar you are with MS Access, but we can check it out later. I will create this at the Pokémon Database. Well, I will call it for EN for English, because I have a Swedish one also. I will switch the folder to store it in. I will store it down at G, and I have a database map. Start it there, and I will actually make a new one folder. Hopefully that I will call Pokémon Database. There. Now I think it looks good. When I'm done, find a name for it, I create it. And now we will start. I will cheat a little bit. I got yeah. First, we will make a table for the sets we got, and it will start with set, and that field type will be strange. I do this instead. I will choose design view, and I will name it sets. Yeah, we got set a text. Then I want to have a release date when I released it. That is a datetime field. I want to know how many cards it is in the series. I make it a number at the moment. I think I will get that. I will save it. I recommend saving often, because if the program crash, and it does that sometimes, then it's good to have saved it. I don't collect Pokemon, have never done, but I got an idea of how it works, and I guess it is some basic sets, and then it's a group of sets. Instead of creating many levels, I will just create one level of sets, and then even if it's a group of sets like the basic sets, I will just have one table for everything. And I do that by making a parent of the sets. Then I can have basic sets, then on the basic sets I can have set 1, set 2, set 3, and so on. And to make that, I'm not sure this will work, but I try. Lookup wizard. I want to look up column to like some type of query. Yes, I want that. Okay, it says it's no queries in this version, and then I just cancel this and make my own. I will call this parent ID, and I will store a number here, and I will go down on the lookup table and pick a combo box, and I want to have 2 columns. I want the first to be 0, I want the other to be 1 inch, and the rest is okay here. I will have a row source, and I will make my own from sets, and I make ID, and I make sets, and then yeah, that's what I want. And to make it even better, I will sort it on sets. And I will sort it in ascending order. Here we go. Yes. And we'll make it data sheet. Row. There we have something that looks like this. Set release cards, parent's empty. The first, if I got it right, it have original series. That is a parent for the ordinary sets, I think. I don't know the release date for this one. I don't know the cards in it. How many cards? I guess it's 0 at this point. And maybe it shouldn't be, because there is no card direct under it. And we don't have a parent. Then we have the base set. The first base set that was released 1999, 9th of September. I use European dating set, but it isn't that important. It was 102 cards in the set, and it was the, I don't know if I got it here, I have to refresh it. Then I will have the original series here. So basically I got the original series and then I have the base set. Now we will store some cards in it. So I will make a new table. Create table. And I do the same here because I think it's easier. I create cards. I got the card that is a text. I got rarity. And here I want to have lookup wizard. I can't type this. I will type in the values that I want. And I want to have 2 columns. And 1 column I will just have a number. 1, 2, 3, 4, I think. There used to be a common card. And I think there is uncommon. And I think it's rare. And I think there is a rare hologram card. I kind of forgot something. Call 2 is where I want to store the number, and I want to store a number here, so I pick the call 1 and the rarity is okay, and it's tall. No. It's a number, it's English now. And then I want to connect this card to a set. And then I will make it similar as the parent, but I will use the lookup wizard. I will take it from the sets. Want to have ID set. That's enough of information. I will sort it by set, and I will see, we got 2. I hide the first column and we call set ID, that I know I store the ID from the set, and I save it. And I will go down to rarity, and I will change the first column in the rarity to 0, so I just got the rarity level. If you look at this database or table, it's about the same that we made before. And I close down it. Now I got my sets here, and we got the base set, and I want to connect the subdata sheet. Cards. And now if I open it here, we got the card, rarity, and actually I think if we look at the cards, one more time. I have to close down sets. I want to have one more field, and it's the number of the card, because if I got it right, the card is numbered in not all number, sorry. I will have it. So now you know that number in English is tal in Swedish. Here we got it, everything. Now I can start input. I think card number 1 is a Lakasam, and it's a rare. Hologram, and the set is base set. I think this rarity, I think I will make it left centered, so I just click there. So far it works. Now I go down to my sets, and I look at my base sets, and there my Alcazar card is. And I take number 2, Blastoise, rare hologram, and number 3, Chansey, I will always have an ID on everything I make. Sometimes I don't use the ID, like now, but I still want each card to have a unique number besides the NO. So I just hide that one. I don't like to add new, because I don't want to add any new field here. So this is basically the ground database we will work from outside. I guess it's many Alakazam card, but the Alakazam as a creature will have its unique values that it isn't changing that much. So later we will make a database, a table for the creatures that make it a little easier to input things. Of course, I should be able to input each value here. Just type it and let it takes the time. Or I can cheat little, as I inputted this before. I can copy it from the other database and just paste it into this. So now we have the base. I think the energy, they're also common, that they don't have a common rarity connected to them. At least not in the list I was. But I think we should have common here in my list, as they probably are ultra common or something. So this is about it, as long as I was going to go today. Thank you for joining me, or you can look another time if you want. Have a good time and see you later.